All right. Well, I'm going to frame it in maybe a slightly different way. And it's going to be 3 steps that everyone can do as soon as we wrap up this show that will provide them benefit. I know some people joined late and maybe didn't hear it. The first, if you're not signed up for ChatGPT, sign up for it and select the thinking option where it says select a model. Not auto or fast, thinking. Most people don't use that at all. They should be. So you're going to get more comprehensive answers. Secondly, create a project or a folder workspace inside of ChatGPT. Give it the name of your company. Click on it. And inside there, you're going to see an input box for creating a prompt. And whatever you want that ChatGPT agent, right, to sort of emulate, put in there. So I always put in, you're a senior business strategist at North Labs for the founder and managing partner, Collin Graves. I'll give it as much detail as I can around who North Labs is, what we do, who we partner it with, and what our customers commonly come to us for. Remember, any question you ask thereafter, that prompt is going to influence how that answer is created for you. So it'll be slightly less generic and a little more tailored toward what you're asking for it. So if you want a business strategist, if you want a marketing strategist or a marketing lead, if you want a peer executive, if you want a bookkeeper, whatever it might be, right? That's where to put it. And then lastly, what I want everyone to do, everyone as a small business owner has things that they're stressing out about that keeps them up at night or gives them anxiety. Just start a conversation, right? It may not provide you the best answer. It may not be spot on, but it may give you a little nugget enough to make a light bulb go off, right? ChatGPT-5 thinking, get your prompt in and start asking questions as though you're almost talking to a peer about what's going on in your business and what you're trying to solve. At the very least, it's going to give you one additional data point to think about, to consider for your business without you having to go outward and know what to search for on YouTube or ask people about. It might provide you with just enough to move the needle for you. And if it can do that, right, at a $20 a month subscription cost, it probably just paid for itself there and created positive ROI in that interaction. So 3-step plan to getting started. And I hope everyone, solves all of their biggest, juiciest issues by doing just that.